आई एम ऑलवेज रेडी टू मेक शोर इन द सिटी, बट फिल्म को शोर मचाने का मौका मिलना चाहिए, उसके जरिए हम शोर मचाएंगे, क्योंकि हमारे बस शोर मचाने से मजा नहीं आएगा। हम आप सब मिलकर शोर मचाएंगे, फिर फिल्म चलेगी तो और शोर मचेगा।
The noise is not just sound; it's visual. The crowd, the visual, in every sense, the shore is so much that it makes people go bad usually. But in this film, each character reacts differently. Some go good, some whose inherent goodness, some go bad, and whose inherent goodness is there, they still stay good. So that is the idea of it.
The honest part is that anything Tushar and Ekta do, I love it. So I'm prejudiced that way. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, but I think it's a little different. It's very not the routine kind of stuff, and it's very exciting. And some few laughs were there. So on the whole, you can say it's good film.
तीन कहानियां इस फिल्म में, और तीनों कहानी में जो किरदार हैं उनका अपना अपना एक शोर है। किसी को क्रिकेटर बनने का शोर है, किसी की जिंदगी में वो एक गैंगस्टर नहीं, एक क्रिमिनल की जिंदगी को छोड़कर एक सुधरे हुए व्यक्ति का जिंदगी अपनाने की कोशिश में है, तो वो शोर उसकी जिंदगी में है। और किसी को इंडिया में आकर एक बिजनेस बनाने का जज्बा है, एक जुनून है, जो शोर लेकर वो आया है। तो सबका अपना अपना एक शोर है।
एक छोटा मोटा किस्म का एक क्रिमिनल है, जिसे पैसे कमाने की लालसा है, लालच है, जल्दी पैसा कमाना चाहता है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं इस सब के बावजूद उनका एक दिल है जिसमें एक थोड़ा सा ईमान कहीं जिंदा है, थोड़ी सी इंसानियत जिंदा है। तो इस तरह का किरदार है।
Shamali's role is quite nice. She's like kind of a nice fresh breath air. As my director says, she's like the beautiful side of Bombay in the midst of the shore. Everyone can relate to the film. A lot of people can relate to my character as well, because you have a lot of models in Bombay.
Very difficult shooting in Mumbai. Like we made our first film in New York, and when we came here, it was a shock for us to see how hard it is to get permissions. How you stand outside for 5 minutes with the camera, and suddenly the crowd will gather around you, and it becomes very hard to send the crowd out.
ऐसा नहीं कि आप बॉम्बे का इन्फॉर्मेशन लेकर जाएंगे इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद, सिर्फ सेटिंग बॉम्बे में है और बॉम्बे का सोल इस फिल्म में है, जो इन तीनों की कहानियों में नजर आएगा।
I think if you see the movie for yourself, you'll see what scenes they're talking about. Obviously, the censor board isn't going to let those kind of scenes through, right? And I have no problems with the scene whatsoever.
Actually, title was decided as Shore First by Raj and DK, and क्योंकि बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो रहा था, लोग सोच रहे थे कि क्या ये पुरानी शोर से कुछ ताल्लुक रखती है या नहीं, तो फिर भी मेरे शोर इन द सिटी जो फिल्म की कहानी को भी लेकर आता है, जो मतलब कि इस फिल्म को एक अलग आइडेंटिटी देता है। नॉट दैट it has anything to do with the old shore, because it does not.
There is this trademark humor that I think we tend to have in our films, which comes across, but overall in terms of the genre of the film or the style or the treatment, I think this is a completely different film.
I think the film kind of connects you. It's a connection to Bombay. Someone who hasn't been, it kind of gives you an insight of the crazy awesomeness that is Bombay.
Well, you cannot really deny that fact that Mumbai is a noisy city. Some people might find that noise very positive. We can say that noise is actually the vibrancy of the city. That's what makes Mumbai or Bombay or different from the rest of the cities in the country, or perhaps even the world. So yes, Mumbai is an extremely noisy city, but I see it as a positive.